Welcome back to my channel Soaps and More. Today I'll be showing you the unmolding and cutting of my banana soap. I have used a natural banana puree which I added at a light trace to my soap batter. This has given a beautiful brown shade to my soap. I have also used a soap mat which has given a beautiful design on the top of my soap. So it's a very simple yet elegant looking soap. So let's get started with the unmolding and cutting of the soap. So this is the soap. I had poured this soap last evening. So it's around 18 hours it's resting in my mold. So now we'll be unmolding the soap. So I'll just gently push it. And it comes out easily. Peel the mat. And this gives a beautiful look on the soap. So I've not used any color. It's a plain soap and the mat makes it look more beautiful. So I use this Soap Beauty for cutting my soaps, which give a very finished look and a clean look to my soaps. First I'll cut a little end which will act as my sample. This is how my soap looks. So this it's the natural color of the banana. Okay, now I can see some oil here, so never mind, it will get absorbed by the soap. We'll just keep it like this and then slowly while getting cured it will be absorbed by the soap itself. I hope you enjoyed the unmolding and cutting of the banana soap. So this is how the soap looks like after 2 to 3 hours of cutting. So the extra oil has been absorbed by the soap. And as I said, this is a natural brown color which we have got because of the banana puree. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Keep watching and do share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much.